Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan if you're new here, and today we are going to be unboxing my Medusa's makeup box. This is the July Beauty box and it's going to have 4 items in it. This is a cruelty-free and vegan makeup company. The box is $15 a month and this month's retail value is $37.95. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into this box here. So the first thing in there is a matte eyeshadow. This is in the color Kokomo and this retails for $9. If I can get into it. There you go. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I'm sorry. This is, what is this? This is in the color Key Largo. I don't know where the Kokomo came from, but it still does retails for $9. This is what it looks like. It is a very pretty blue, very smooth, super pigmented. Which is always something about Medusa's makeup that I have noticed. So let's go ahead and let's see what else is in the box. So the next thing in the box, this is an eye dust. This is in the color Penny Rice. This retails for $8. Not going to open this up, but basically it is a kind of, I would call it copper looking, and it's very sparkly, so very pretty. We'll have to definitely try that out one of these days. Next thing in the box is the Cha 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 Cherry Balm Lip Balm. This retails for $8.95. Go ahead. It definitely smells like wild cherries. Very moisturizing, feels good on the lips. And then the last thing in the box is a lip paint. This is in the color Hanky Panky. This retails for $12 and this is the color that it looks like. These, when they go on and they stay on for like ever. So we're gonna go ahead and try this color out. And that's what the color looks like. It is a very pretty burgundy kind of wine looking color. But that is everything in this month's Medusa's makeup box. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to link all the information down below in the description box about Medusa's makeup and how you can subscribe to it. If you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that way you will be reminded the next time I upload. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thanks for watching and you have a great day.